Hello friends, the problem that we have in our hand today, let us try to solve this. So again, this is a problem which we have to choose which part to read first. You can pause the video and try to read it from beginning. After that, let us dive into the solution. So see, this is the total selling price that he has, that Anil has, right? So this is 2112. This is the selling price that he has. Now what he has done? How many toys did he have? He had some 12 toys with him, out of which he has sold 8 with a sale with a discount of 20%. That means if he has leveled, so let us take his level as x. Okay, so let us see that this x is the level that he has. So x with a discount of 20%, that is zero point 0.8 of the leveling that he is selling this into 8, that is the amount that he has sold. And again, he has also sold 4 toys by how much? uh, by how much? Let us say this much, right? So x is the leveled price. Initial discount was 0.8 20%, so 80% of the price. And again, on the discounted price, he has provided a discount of 25%. That means this much, right? And how many toys? 4. Okay, so this 8 and 4 are the number of toys that is sold in that particular price. So if you calculate this comes out to be 6.4 x, right? And what, how much this comes out to be? This comes out to be 2.4. How did you calculate it? 2.4, simply 0.75 into 4 is 3, right? So if you do it this way, it is much easier. Okay, let me circle it back because it is not part of the flow, right? Okay, all right, let us get into how we are solving this. Then we have this 21112 and this 2, right? So basically 6.4 x plus 2.4 x, this comes out to be 2112, right? Now this is simply 8.8x is equal to 2112. Now how much is x equals to? X equals to 2112 by 8.8. Now generally I would advise you to hold up the calculations, because if you don't have access to a calculator in your tests, then let us hold up the calculation for now. Maybe it will simplify later on the expression, right? So x we have found out, that is the leveled price, right? Now if you had sold everything without any discount, so what is the question? With no discounts, right? So if you had hold of that, then how much it would have he would have gained? That is 12 into x, right? Because there is no discount at all. So this is going to be 12 into 2112 by 8.8, because that was x. So this is how much he would have gotten, right? Now what is his buying price? So with everything he made a 10% profit, right? So he made a 10% profit. So his buying price, okay, so I am calculating his buying price. Buying price is going to be 2112 by 1.1, right? This is his buying price. Now with this, on this buying price, how much would he have gained? So how to calculate that? We have, this is the selling price, right? In the scenario that he has no discount, this is the selling price, right? So his percentage gain, how much it would have been? It is simply selling price, S price, let me write S price, selling price by buying price, right? Selling price by buying price minus 1, right? So you have it, this is 2112, selling price is into 12 by 8.8, right? And what is in the denominator? This is 2112 by 1.1, right? Okay, let us try to simplify this term. Okay, how we will simplify this is simply 2112 into 12 by 8.8 and into, so what we are trying to do now, is taking this upwards, right? So we will have it as 2112 by 1.1, right? Minus 1. Now that we have this is simply, we can cancel these two out, right? Now, and we can cancel these two out as well. So this is simply 12 by 8 minus 1. So again, this is 3 by 2 minus 1, and this comes out to be 0.5, right? So what is this percentage profit? Again, 0.5 into 100, because we are calculating the percentage, 100%, right? So this is 50%. 50% you would have gained. So that's why we didn't we hold up our calculations beforehand, because a lot of cancellations goes on later on. Okay, so yeah, this is how we solve this. Like and subscribe if you would like to. See you in another video with another problem.